Imagine for a moment that every thought you have is like a stone thrown into an infinite lake. The ripples that form spread out, interact with other ripples, and return to you in the form of experiences, people, and circumstances. This is the essence of quantum physics. Everything in the universe is energy vibrating at different frequencies. Matter, like the chair you're sitting on, or the money in your bank. Account is simply energy condensed into a specific state. What does this mean for you? The reality you live in today is a direct reflection of the vibration you emit. You are not a victim of chance, trapped by debt, scarcity, or limitations imposed by your past, origins, or circumstances. You are a conscious co-creator of your life, and the quantum field, this vast field of infinite possibilities, is always ready to respond to the energy you project. The law of attraction is the practical tool that connects the science of quantum physics to your everyday life. It teaches us that like attracts like. Your internal energy acts like a powerful magnet, and money, like any other form of abundance, is attracted to those who vibrate at the frequency of prosperity. Think about it. If you spend your day worrying about bills, fearing you won't have enough, or complaining about life, what vibration are you sending to the universe? Scarcity. And the universe, like a faithful mirror, reflects more scarcity back to you. On the other hand, when you cultivate feelings of gratitude, trust, and absolute certainty that prosperity is already part of your life, the universe responds with more abundance. Those people who seem to have luck, who always find opportunities, who attract money with ease, aren't special. They simply vibrate at a different frequency, carrying a mindset of abundance. And the best news? You can learn to vibrate at that frequency too. Today, I'll share 5 powerful techniques based on the law of attraction and quantum physics to attract money, prosperity, or anything you desire. These techniques are simple but require consistency and faith in the process. Let's dive into them now. Technique 1. Creative visualization. Close your eyes and transport yourself to the life of your dreams. See yourself living in the house you've always wanted, driving your dream car, traveling to exotic destinations, or helping the people you love. Don't just visualize, feel it. Feel the excitement of living that reality, the joy of money flowing easily, the freedom of not worrying about bills. When you visualize with emotion, your brain doesn't distinguish between imagination and reality. It starts to believe it's already true, and you send a powerful frequency to the quantum field, attracting those experiences into your life. Technique 2. Positive affirmations. Words have incredible vibrational power. They shape your subconscious mind and align your energy with what you desire. Start repeating affirmations like, I am prosperous. I attract abundance with ease. Money flows to me in unexpected ways. Say these phrases with conviction every day, preferably in front of a mirror. These affirmations aren't just words. They're commands that reprogram your mind and tune your vibration to the frequency of wealth. Technique 3. Anticipatory gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest frequencies you can emit. Give thanks as if your desires are already reality. Be grateful for the money that's coming, the opportunities on their way, the financial freedom you're about to live. When you give thanks before seeing the results, you signal to the universe that you trust the process. This trust accelerates the manifestation of your dreams. Try writing a daily list of things you're grateful for, including those yet to come. Technique 4. Coherent emotion. It's not enough to think positively if, deep down, you're filled with fear, doubt, or insecurity. For the law of attraction to work, your thoughts and emotions must be aligned. If you think about abundance but feel fear of scarcity, you create a confused vibration. To align thought and emotion, practice meditation or conscious breathing. Ask yourself, how would I feel if I already had everything I desire? Let that feeling of confidence and joy fill your heart. This alignment creates a powerful vibration the universe can't ignore. Technique 5. Inspired action. The universe loves action. After visualizing, affirming, and feeling gratitude, pay attention to intuitions, ideas, or opportunities that arise. Sometimes a simple idea, like making a call, starting a project, or learning a new skill, is the universe guiding you. The law of attraction isn't about sitting still and waiting. It's about acting with confidence when the universe opens doors. Trust the signs and take the next step, even if it's small. Every inspired action is a step toward your prosperity. Now let's go a bit deeper. Quantum physics shows us that subatomic particles exist in a state of possibility until observed. This means money, prosperity, and opportunities already exist as infinite possibilities in the quantum field. What determines whether these possibilities manifest in your life is how you observe them, with confidence or doubt, abundance or scarcity. Think of the universe as a giant radio. Each station broadcasts a different frequency, one of scarcity, another of abundance, another of love, and so on. Money is a station that's always broadcasting, but you only receive it if you tune into the right frequency. When you think about lack, complain, or feel fear, you connect to the scarcity station. But when you think about abundance, feel gratitude, and act with confidence, you tune into the prosperity station. Many people are stuck in cycles of scarcity because they only believe what they see. But in the quantum universe, the secret is to believe first, then see. Your belief shapes reality. If you keep thinking, I don't have, it's hard, or I never get it, you reinforce a pattern of scarcity. But when you change your words, thoughts, and emotions, you start creating a new pattern, a pattern of abundance. Here's a practical exercise to start today. Grab a notebook and write down what your ideal life would look like. How much money would you have in your account? Where would you live? What would your daily routine be? What would you do with your financial freedom? Be specific. Describe the house, the car, the trips, the people around you. Then, read this text every day, preferably in the morning, and feel as if that reality is already yours. This simple exercise reprograms your subconscious and aligns your vibration with prosperity. Your subconscious mind is like a powerful computer. It believes what you repeat. If you repeat thoughts of scarcity, it accepts that as truth. But if you repeat thoughts of abundance, it starts working to make that reality. Tend to your thoughts like a gardener tends to a garden. Plant seeds of prosperity, water them with gratitude, and reap the fruits of abundance. Quantum physics also teaches us that the observer affects the outcome. This means you have the power to change your life by changing how you observe money. Stop saying things like, I never have enough, or money is hard to earn. Every time you say that, you reinforce a field of scarcity. Instead, declare with conviction, I am a magnet for prosperity. Money flows to me with ease. Say it now, out loud, and feel the energy shift within you. Don't worry if results don't appear immediately. Everything in the universe has a gestation period. Just as a seed needs time to become a tree, your new vibration needs time to materialize. Trust the process. Keep visualizing, affirming, feeling gratitude, and acting when opportunities arise. The universe always responds, but it works at its own pace. The quantum field is a place of infinite possibilities. There's no scarcity in it, only limitless abundance waiting to be manifested. You don't need to compete with anyone, take from anyone, or prove your worth. Abundance is your natural birthright, available to all. When you vibrate prosperity, you not only attract wealth for yourself, but also inspire others to do the same, creating a virtuous cycle of abundance. Imagine yourself a year from now, living with financial freedom. You're in your dream home, traveling where you've always wanted, helping your family, realizing your projects. Now realize it all started when you decided to change your vibration. It started when you understood you're a co-creator of your reality. Today can be that day. Today can be the turning point. Declare now, with all your energy, I choose prosperity. I choose abundance. I choose wealth. Repeat these words until you feel they're true in your heart. Feel the certainty that money is just energy, and energy never runs out. It just flows. When you feel worthy, when you make space for abundance, money starts flowing with ease. Prosperity isn't just about having money. It's about having the freedom to choose, living without fear, caring for those you love, and fulfilling your deepest dreams. It's about living a full life, knowing you have the power to create what you desire. The quantum field doesn't distinguish between who deserves it or not. It simply responds to the vibration you emit. So, I ask, what are you emitting right now? If you emit confidence, gratitude, and certainty, prepare for amazing things. Doors will open, the right people will appear, brilliant ideas will emerge, and paths will align in ways you can't imagine. This is the power of quantum physics applied to your life. This is the power of the law of attraction when you choose to be a conscious co-creator. Start practicing these techniques today. Choose one of the 5: visualization, affirmations, gratitude, coherent emotion, or inspired action, and begin now. Dedicate 5 minutes a day to visualize your ideal life, repeat your affirmations, or write your gratitude list. Small, consistent actions create big changes. To reinforce this further, create a daily ritual. For example, every morning before starting your day, take a moment to meditate, visualize, and affirm your prosperity. At night, before bed, write 3 things you're grateful for and 3 things you want to manifest. This habit aligns your energy and keeps you tuned to the frequency of abundance. And remember, the journey to prosperity is also a journey of self-discovery. As you practice these techniques, you'll learn more about yourself, your fears, your limiting beliefs, and your limitless potential. Every step you take is an opportunity to grow, to become a more powerful version of yourself. Now to close, I want you to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel. Feel the energy of money flowing to you like a river of golden light. Feel prosperity pouring into your life, filling every corner of your being. Feel the absolute certainty that you are prosperous, abundant, and free. Never forget, you are the architect of your reality. You shape your future with every thought, emotion, and action. You are a powerful co-creator, and the universe is ready to respond to your desires. Declare now, with all the strength of your heart, I am prosperity in action. I attract abundance with ease. I am free. Repeat these words, write them down, share them with someone you want to see prosper alongside you. Because when you prosper, you light the way for others to prosper too. The universe is abundant, and the more you share this energy, the more it multiplies. Today is the day to start. Today is the day to change your vibration, tune into the frequency of wealth, and embrace your power as a co-creator. Are you ready? Then go for it and make it happen. The universe is waiting for you.